So understanding elementary shapes. So it means different measurement techniques that you will see or use in your day-to-day life to measure. Okay. So what are the elementary shapes actually? Elementary shapes are like line segments, angles, triangles, polygons, and circles, which we can draw on our notebook. Okay. And it gives us some meaningful things. So measurement of line segment, how we measure a line segment. So three ways are given here, how you can measure a line or compare two lines. Okay. So first thing is comparison by observation. So you will see two lines and by seeing only you can make it out which is bigger and which is smaller. If the difference is more, you can easily find out. As for example, you can check which boy is tall and which boy is not tall. Okay. When compared with each other. Okay, so you can see this boy is taller than the other boy. Okay, so like that, that is comparison by observations. Next is comparison by tracing. So on a copy, if you have drawn a line, you can get one trace paper, that is oily paper, which you can see through it. So you draw it on the that paper, oily paper or tracing paper, and bring it to another copy or another line, and you can put it on that line to compare it, which is bigger, which is smaller, or if both are equal or not. So that is another way to compare two lines by tracing it is. And third way is this one, comparison using ruler and divider. So using a divider, you can pinpoint the 2 points on the line segment and then bring this divider to the ruler or scale and exactly see what is the measurement of that line segment using this divider. And this gives more accurate result because by simply ruler, you can miss some of the readings. From left, if you will see 1 mm can shift, and from right, another 1 mm can shift. So it cannot give you correct result unless you see it from the correct angle. That is, you have to be vertically, you have to view it vertically to see the right reading of the line measurement. But using the divider, you are pinpointing it. So you can exactly put it on the ruler to get the exact measurement. So it is more accurate. Okay, so this was the theory. Now start exercise 5.1. What are the disadvantages in comparing line segment by mere observation? Tell me the disadvantages. Disadvantages of comparing the line by mere observation, it is saying. Disadvantages are like it cannot give the exact measurement. Even if you use a ruler and try to measure it with the angle shift, it can give inaccurate readings. Okay. So these are the disadvantages of measuring line segment, okay, or comparing line segment by mere observation. We have to measure it accurately using the ruler, or we have to measure it accurately using divider and a ruler. Okay. Next, why is it better to use a divider and a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? So this is the question we already answered here. Okay, so same thing with divider and a ruler, we get exact reading because with a ruler, if we see from certain angles, the reading may not be proper, or because of the thickness of the ruler, we may not be reading the line correctly. So with a divider, we pinpoint the 2 points on the line segment and measure it on the ruler. So using a divider, we get a more accurate reading. Okay. Now number 3, draw any line segment, say AB. Take any point C lying in between A and B. Measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus BC? Okay, so what it is saying is, take a line segment AB, okay, and mark a point C on it. Okay, so A, B, C. So it is saying, is AB equals to AC plus CB? Okay, measure the length AB. So if AB is 5 centimeter, AC will be 2.4 centimeter and CB will be 2.6 centimeter. Okay. So adding AC and CB, you have to measure and check. Draw any line AB and cut a mark on it and measure AC and CB and then measure AB. So you will get AC plus CB is equal to AB. Number 4, if ABC are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 3 centimeter and AC equals to 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? ABC are 3 points on a line. A, B and C are 3 points on the line. So AB is given A, B is given 5 centimeter and BC is given 3 centimeter. Okay, BC is given 3 centimeter. So this is 5, this is 3, and AC is given 8. So total this is 8. All unit in centimeter. 8 centimeter. Okay. So which one is in between the other 2 points? Which point lies in between the other two? So B lies in between A and C. So you have to count. D is here. So it is to be counted. From D you can start going towards left and from D you can do going towards right. So D is midpoint of AG or not. So D to A, how much? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we can say 3 readings. And D to G is how much? D to G is again 1, 2, 3. 3 readings. So both sides we got 3 readings. So D is midpoint of AG. Now 6. If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD lie on a straight line, say YAB is equal to CD. So it is saying B is the midpoint of AC. So it is AC here. You can say A, C. And it says B is the midpoint of AC. So here it is B. Okay. B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD. So C is the midpoint of, here is C, is the midpoint of B and D. It is D. Okay. C is the midpoint of D. So it is saying YAB is equal to CD. So see, the proof is here. B is midpoint of AC. Therefore AB is equal to BC. Correct. Then it is given C is midpoint of BD. BC is equal to CD. Okay. So from the above statement, AB is equal to BC equal to CD. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Okay. So this is the reason why AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to CD. Okay. So AB is equal to CD. Number 7, draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side. Sum of two sides is always more than the third side, because any triangle you take, suppose this is a triangle here. So sum of this side and this side will be always more than this side, because this will be the shortest distance between these 2 points. Any other path taken will be longer. So this plus this will always be more than measurement of third side.